Okay, adding, subtracting, multiplying, dividing fractions, and we'll be doing more fractions, 3 at a time, adding, subtracting, and then multiplying mixed numbers and dividing mixed numbers. So let's begin by getting a common denominator for adding and subtracting. So my 4 time tables will be 4, 8, 12, and then 16. My 2 time tables will be 2, 4, 6, and 8. My 5 time tables will be 5, 10, 15, and 20. Let's see if we have anything common. Nope, there's nothing common. So we're going to go one more on the 4 time tables, which will be 20, one more on the 2 time tables, which will be 10, and one more on the 5 time tables, which will be 25. And again, I have nothing common yet. So let's go again. So now we're at 24 on the 4 time tables, 12 on the 2 time tables, and 30 on the 5 time tables. And again, I am not finding anything common yet. Let's go a couple more. So for the 4 time tables, the next will be 28 and 32. For the 2 time tables, this will be 14 and 16. And for the 5 time tables, this will be 35 and 40. Okay, not quite there. Let's go one more time. Okay, for the 4 time tables, um, let's see. Do I really not have anything here? Oh, I think I know where we can go. If I go a couple more times, I can get some numbers. Okay, so go a couple more times. Let's go one more time. Let's a couple more times. So for the 4 time tables, we have 36 and we have 40. For the 2 time tables, we'll have 18 and 20. And for the 5 time tables, we'll have 45 and 50. And I found a common. The common will be 20. 20 here, here, and there. All right, so that's our common multiple. So for the 4 time tables, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's times 5, 5 for multiples. For the 2 time tables, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that's times 10 times 10. And for the 5 time tables, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 times 4 and times 4. So our numbers are, I'll use a thicker pen now, 3 times 5 and 4 times 5, which is 15 and 20. Next we have 1 times 10 and 2 times 10, which is 10 and 20. The last one is 3 times 4 and 5 times 4. That's going to be 12 and 20. Okay, so if I add 15 and 10, I'll get 25. If I subtract 12 from that, I'll get 13. So this leaves me with 13 over 20. Okay, I had to go pretty far to find that LCD. All right, next, multiplication problem. I need to turn this into an improper fraction, so I'm going to need to multiply and add, multiply and add. So 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. So this becomes 12 over 5. This will be 6 times 1 is 6, plus 5 more is 11. So it'll be 11 over 6. Okay, so let's do some multiplication. 12 will be multiplied with 11, and 5 will be multiplied with 6. If I multiply my 12 and 11, that will give me 120 plus 12 more, which is 132. 132. And then 5 times 6 will be 30. Now, I can see that this can be divided by 2. So let's divide this by 2. And 132 divided by 2, I know half of 100 is 50, and half of 32 is 16. So 50, 16, that'd be 65. Nope, that won't be 65. Sorry. 66, I think. Yeah, 66. and then 30 divided by 2, that's going to be 15. Now, I'm noticing here 66 and 15 both can be divided by 3. Okay. 6 or 66 divided by 3 will give me 22. Whereas 15 divided by 3 will give me 5. Okay. All right, once again, we want to turn these mixed numbers into fractions or improper fractions. So we'll multiply and add, multiply and add. 2 times 5 plus 2, this will be 2 times 5 is 10, plus 2 more is 12. And that'll be over 5. Division. And 1 times 6 is 6, plus 5 more is 11 over 6. Now we're going to do a keep, change, and a flip, which will give us 12 over 5, which is what we keep. We change this to multiplication, and this changes or flips over into 6 over 11. Now we can multiply 12 times 6 and 5 times 11. Well, 12 times 6 makes 72. Whereas 5 times 11 makes 55. Now, the only thing that can divide a 55 is 5 and 11. And I know 72 cannot be divided by 5 or 11. So this is simplified.